Welcome back to CoCo Finance, your reliable resource for all things financial. As we continue navigating through 2023, a topic that is shining brighter in the world of investment is silver. Amid the changing economic climate, silver offers a unique opportunity to not just preserve, but potentially grow your wealth. Silver plays a crucial role as a hedge against inflation. In an era marked by economic unpredictability, tangible assets like silver retain their intrinsic worth, safeguarding your wealth against market volatility. This stands in contrast to fiat currencies, which can see their purchasing power erode due to inflationary pressures. In addition to its role as a store of value, silver's wide array of industrial applications boosts its demand. It forms a critical component in a variety of sectors ranging from electronics to solar panels and even medical instruments. As the global economy leans towards sustainable energy solutions and tech advancements, this demand is only set to surge. This industrial demand, in turn, could enhance silver's market valuation, offering investors potential growth. On the subject of accessibility, silver shines as an affordable alternative to other precious metals like gold. This affordability allows novice investors and those with a tighter budget to diversify their portfolios without necessitating a significant initial investment. With a smaller market and lower liquidity compared to gold, silver's price can experience more volatility. This volatility could translate into significant returns for investors, although it's important to remember that it does come with its own set of risks. 2023 continues to witness a surge in the popularity of precious metals as alternative investments. As more investors understand and appreciate the inherent value of these tangible assets, market dynamics could potentially favor an uptick in silver's price. However, it's crucial to remember that every investment, including silver, comes with its share of risks. As such, thorough research and possibly professional advice should form the foundation of your investment strategy. In conclusion, silver presents a compelling investment opportunity in 2023. From acting as an inflation hedge to benefiting from industrial demand and affordability, investing in silver could be the silver lining your portfolio needs. Thank you for tuning into CoCo Finance. If you found this content useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's journey towards financial wisdom, one video at a time. Until next time, keep investing smart, CoCo Finance community.